Good morning. Have you ever wondered about the chemical properties of everyday household items? Specifically, have you ever wondered about uh, how glue, how the chemical properties of glue affect the way it works? I mean, we've all worked with it in elementary, and some of those have been not so fortunate with it. Uh, but we will be working with these two, or with this in specific today. Um, First, we'll be working with borax also, which is a laundry detergent booster found in like regular households. And we'll also be working with the polyvinyl acetate or Elmer's glue. Uh, Before I go any further, I'll define two terms: non-covalent bonding, which I'm sure you have heard about in class, but for those of you that haven't been paying that much attention, Uh, I'll define it for you. Non-covalent interactions are basically interactions that do not involve the sharing of electrons. Also, hydrogen bonding, another one you probably have learned in class, but for the people that uh, haven't been paying that much attention, hydrogen bonding are basically non-covalent interactions that include non-covalent interactions between positively charged hydrogen atoms and negatively charged negatively charged other atoms. Um, so as we add the polyvinyl acetate and the borax, they should between each other they should form some non-covalent bonds. In specific, they should form hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds are quite weak, making this slime rather than a compact thing. It'll be slime, it'll be very viscous because the bonds will be constantly breaking. So, hopefully today I will be making slime. Got a bowl here, and I'll have an 8-ounce bottle of Elmer's glue, which I'll add to the bowl. I'll also have 6 ounces of water that I'll add to the same bowl. And in another bowl, we will, after I stir, first I'll have to stir this up. And in another cup, I'll add a half a teaspoon of borax, along with a half a cup of hot water. And we want this to dissolve very well, so I mix it very well. And this is the reason I'm using hot water, which you all know is because in hot water the molecules move faster and the dissolving process will occur faster. So once it's all stirred, can I get a volunteer? Thank you. Here you go. And so as I stir the glue, you will add the borax solution to the glue slowly. And so you're adding it. And as you're adding it, it'll start to stick to the spoon, and then I'll start to knead it as you keep adding it. And as I knead it and knead it, and then once you're done with it, you can go sit back down. Once you're done, I'll keep kneading until the hydrogen bonds have all formed between the borax and the polyvinyl acetate. And actually, can I get another volunteer? Thank you. I'll have a bunch of slime molds for all of you to play with. And as you play with this, you'll actually see hydrogen bonds breaking. This is the reason it doesn't stay in the same form. It moves around. It's very viscous. And it's because of hydrogen bonding, actually. And so, in this experiment, I really hope that you realize that chemistry is interesting outside of the lab. Even though we do not make or want to make slime every day, this demonstration should show you that there are plenty of uses for just household items or items you can find anywhere. As long as you just think of it, just explore, experiment, just explore and just examine everything around you. I mean, why not? It'll make everything way more interesting. Thank you.